So first of all, you need to go out and look at your condenser, what brand it is. Mine is Prince and the serial number is big right on top, and then you go to this website and then select the beginning letter of your brand name, and then scroll down to look for your brand, your model, and on that it will show you a bunch of sample how to find out the year it was built and the month it was built. I will leave the description of the website on the bottom, so just click on it. I hope you like it. Please subscribe. Thank you.